Marketing worth it in 2025. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular way to make money online. Many people claim they are earning thousands of dollars each month by promoting products and earning commission. But is it really worth it in 2025? Can you still make good money, or is it too late to start? In this video, I will break down what affiliate marketing is, how it works, the pros and cons, and whether it is still a good business model in 2025. If you are thinking about starting affiliate marketing, watch till the end to know if it is the right choice for you. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple business model where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. For example, if you promote a product that costs $100 and the commission is 30%, you earn $30 per sale. Many companies, including Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, offer affiliate programs where you can sign up and start earning. You don't need to create your own product or deal with customer service. You simply promote products and earn money when people buy through your link. How does affiliate marketing work? The process is simple. First is you join an affiliate program and get a special tracking link. You promote the product through a website, blog, YouTube, or social media. And third is when someone click your link and make a purchase, you can earn a commission. Affiliate marketing works best when you provide valuable content that help people make informed buying decisions. Is affiliate marketing still profitable in 2025? The short answer is yes, but it has changed. Competition has increased, and earning money requires effort and strategy. However, new opportunities have emerged with AI, short form video content, and emerging market. People trust recommendation from influencer and bloggers more than ever. If you build an audience and offer genius product suggestion, you can make a consistent income. The key is to focus on valuable content, SEO, and different traffic sources like YouTube, TikTok, and email marketing. Best way to start affiliate marketing in 2025. First is YouTube and video content. Many successful affiliate marketers earn commissions by reviewing products on YouTube. Videos rank well on good, and you can include affiliate links in the description. And second is blog and SEO. Well optimized website with helpful content can generate passive incomes for years. If you rank on Google's for product related search, you can get consistent affiliate commissions. And third is social media and TikToks. Short form content on Instagram, Reel, and TikTok is a powerful way to drive traffic to affiliate products. Many marketers earn commission by sharing simple, engaging videos. And four is email marketing. Building an email list allow you to promote affiliate offers directly to people interested in your niche. This method help you get repeat sales. AI powered automation. In 2025, AI tools make content creation and email marketing easier. Using AI for keyword research, article writing, and automation can help you scale your affiliate businesses. Challenge for affiliate marketing in 2025. Well, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. It is not a get rich quick scheme. Some challenges include: first is high competition. Many niches are saturated, making it harder to rank and get traffic. SEO and algorithm change. Google and social media platforms frequently update their algorithm, affecting organic reach. Trust and authenticity. People are trust and authenticity. People are more cautious about online recommendation, so you need to build credibility. If you are willing to put in the effort, stay updated with trends and use AI tools to your advantage, you can still succeed. Is affiliate marketing worth it is 2025? Yes, but only if you treat it like a real business. Many people start affiliate marketing thinking they will make money instantly, but it takes time and a strategy. The key to success is choosing the right niche, providing valuable content, and using multiple traffic sources. Affiliate marketing is still one of the best way to make passive incomes, but it requires effort and patience. If you start now, stay consistent and focus on helping people, you can build a long-term profitable businesses. Affiliate marketing is not dead, it is evolving. New opportunities are available for those who are willing to adapt. If you want to start in 2025, focus on content, SEO, video marketing, and automation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on making more money.